Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello to all our listeners. It's great to be here today.
How are you, Paul?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I had a nice, quiet morning. And you?
I am great. I am happy to be here with you and with everyone listening.
Me too. So, Emily, what is our topic for today?
Today, we have a very important topic. It's about you, me, and everyone. We will talk about how to focus on yourself.
That's a wonderful topic. Sometimes life is very busy and we forget about ourselves.
Yes, exactly. We think about work, school, family, friends. But what about me? What about you?
That's a good question. It's so important to take time for yourself.
It is. So, before we start our conversation, we want to ask you a small favor.
Yes. If you like our podcast, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
And please share this episode with your friends and give us a like. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Thank you so much. Okay, Emily, let's start. Focusing on yourself. What does that mean?
That's the first question. For me, it means doing something that is just for me, something that makes me happy and calm.
I like that. Something that is just for you. Not for your boss, not for your family, for you.
Yes, it's like being your own best friend. You need to take care of your friend.
Be your own best friend. That's a beautiful way to say it. So, what are some simple ways to do this?
Well, I have one idea. Reading a book.
Oh, that's a great one. I love reading.
Me too. When you read, you are in a different world. It's quiet time.
Yes, it is. You, your chair, and your book. It's very peaceful.
It is. What kind of books do you like to read, Paul?
I like adventure stories. Simple stories with happy endings. They make me feel good.
That sounds lovely. I like books with beautiful pictures. Sometimes I just look at the pictures and feel relaxed.
That's a great way to relax. So, reading is one way. What's another idea?
Another idea is to go for a walk.
A walk? Yes! I do that almost every day.
Oh, that's great. Where do you like to walk?
I like to walk in the park near my house. There are many big green trees.
Ah, that sounds so nice. I like walking in nature too. It feels good to see the sky and the trees.
It does. And you can walk alone, just with your thoughts. It's a good time to think.
Or you can listen to music while you walk.
Oh, yes. Listening to music is another fantastic way to focus on yourself.
I agree. Music can change how you feel.
It's true. What kind of music do you listen to when you want to feel happy, Emily?
I listen to pop music, happy, fast music. It makes me want to dance.
That's wonderful. Sometimes I listen to very calm music, like piano music.
Ooh, piano music is beautiful. Is that for relaxing?
Yes, exactly. It helps my mind to be slow and calm. It's very good after a long, busy day.
So we have reading, walking, and listening to music. These are all great.
They are. And they are simple things. Everyone can do them.
Yes, you don't need a lot of money or a lot of time. Maybe just 10 or 15 minutes.
Right. A short walk is good. One song is good. A few pages of a book is good.
That's a good point, Paul. It doesn't have to be a big thing. Small moments are important too.
Yes, very important. What about hobbies, Emily? Is a hobby a way to focus on yourself?
Oh, absolutely. A hobby is something you do just for fun.
Right. It's not work, it's play. What is your hobby?
I like gardening. I have some small plants on my balcony.
Wow, that's a lovely hobby. Is it difficult?
No, not at all. I give them water. I look at the green leaves. It makes me feel very calm and happy.
I can understand that. It's nice to take care of something and see it grow.
It is. Do you have a hobby, Paul?
I do. I like to cook.
Oh, you cook. That's a great hobby. What do you like to cook?
I like to make simple things. My favorite is pasta with tomato sauce.
Mmm, I love pasta.
Me too. When I cook, I focus only on the food, chopping the vegetables, stirring the sauce. My mind is clear.
Ah, so it's like a meditation for you.
Yes, a kitchen meditation. And at the end, I have a delicious meal.
That's a hobby with a yummy result.
Exactly. So hobbies are very personal. Your hobby is gardening. My hobby is cooking. Both are good.
Yes, the important thing is that you enjoy it. It is for you.
Right. Okay, so we have activities we can do, but what about things we should not do?
That's an interesting question. What do you mean?
Well, sometimes we are so busy because we say yes to everything.
Ah, I understand. Your friend asks, "Can you help me?" You say, "Yes." Your family asks, "Can you come here?" You say, "Yes."
Yes, we say yes all the time, and then we have no time for ourselves. We are tired.
That is so true. So, to focus on yourself, sometimes you need to say no.
Exactly. Saying no can be very hard. We want to be nice and helpful.
It is hard, but sometimes no is a good word. It's a way to take care of yourself.
I agree. You can say it in a nice way. I'm sorry, I can't today. I am very tired.
Yes. Or, thank you for asking, but I need some time to rest.
That's a perfect way to say it. And rest is so important. This brings us to another simple idea.
What is it?
Sleep.
Yes, sleep is my favorite way to focus on myself.
Me too. A good night's sleep is amazing. It changes everything.
It does. If I don't sleep well, I feel tired and sad the next day.
Same here. But when I sleep for 7 or 8 hours, I wake up and feel strong and happy.
Yes, you have energy for the day. Your mind is clear.
So, going to bed at a good time is a way of focusing on yourself. It's an act of self-care.
I never thought about it like that, but it's true. You are giving your body and mind the rest they need.
Yes, it's a gift to your future self, the you of tomorrow.
I like that. A gift for tomorrow, Emily. Okay, so let's review. We have reading, walking, music, hobbies, saying no, and sleeping well. Wow.
That's a good list. And I have one more idea. It is the most simple one.
Oh, what is it?
Just being quiet.
Just quiet? Tell me more.
Yes, no book, no music, no phone, just you. Maybe you sit in a chair and look out the window
For how long?
for 5 minutes or even 2 minutes. You just sit and you breathe.
Ah, like in through your nose and out through your mouth.
Yes, you can watch the clouds in the sky or watch a tree. You just be.
That sounds very, very calm. I think I need to try that. My mind is always so busy.
My mind is busy too. That's why a few minutes of quiet is so good. It's like a small vacation for your brain.
A small vacation for my brain. I love that, Paul.
It's true. Our brains work hard all day. They need a little break.
Yes, they do. So I can make a cup of tea, sit by the window, and just be quiet for 5 minutes.
That is a perfect plan. It's your time. Nobody needs anything. You just sit and drink your tea.
This is a really good idea. It's free, it's easy, and you can do it anywhere.
Exactly. You can do it at home, on the office on your break, or even on a bench in the park.
I feel more relaxed just talking about all these things.
Me too. It's a nice reminder that taking care of ourselves doesn't need to be complicated.
No, it's about the small, simple joys in life. A good song, a sunny walk, a delicious meal you cooked.
Yes, and it's not selfish to focus on yourself. It's necessary.
What do you mean by necessary?
Well, if you are tired and stressed, you cannot be a good friend or a good worker or a good family member.
Ah, that's true. When I am tired, I am not very nice sometimes.
Nobody is. But when you take care of yourself, you have more energy, you are happier, and you have more to give to other people.
So, focusing on yourself is good for you, and it's also good for the people around you.
Yes, exactly. It's a win-win situation.
I love that. So, let's think. For our listeners, what is a good first step? The list is long.
A good first step. I think the best step is to choose one small thing.
Just one?
Yes, don't try to do everything. Just choose one thing from our list. Maybe today you listen to one happy song, just for you.
That's a great idea. Or maybe you go for a 5-minute walk on your lunch break.
Perfect. Or tonight, you read 2 pages of a book before you sleep.
And you don't look at your phone in bed.
Yes, that is a very important one. The phone can wait until morning.
It can. The quiet time before sleep is so important.
It is. So the first step is to choose one small, easy thing and do it today.
And see how you feel. I think you will feel good.
I think so too. It's like planting a small seed for your own happiness.
Wow, Paul, you are full of beautiful phrases today. Be your own best friend, a vacation for your brain, and now a seed for your happiness.
Well, it's a happy topic. It makes me think happy thoughts.
It makes me feel happy too. It's good to remember these simple things. Life gets busy, and we just forget.
We do. We run and run and run. We need to remember to stop and breathe sometimes.
Yes, stop, breathe, and maybe listen to some piano music.
Or look at your beautiful plants on the balcony.
Exactly. It's about finding those small moments of peace in the day.
I agree 100%. This was a really nice conversation, Emily.
It was. I feel inspired to take some time for myself this afternoon.
Me too. I think a quiet cup of tea is calling my name.
And a walk in the park is calling my name. Wow, that is all our time for today. Time goes by so fast when we are having fun.
It really does. So, to all our wonderful listeners, we have a question for you.
We do. The question is, what do you do to focus on yourself?
Do you read? Do you cook?
Do you have a special hobby? Please tell us in the comments below this episode.
We love reading your comments and learning about your ideas. Maybe you have a wonderful idea that we didn't talk about.
Yes, please share with us. And of course, if you enjoyed our conversation today,
And give this episode a like and share it with a friend who needs a little reminder to focus on themselves. It helps our channel grow, and we are so grateful for your support.
thank you all so much for listening today.
Yes, thank you. Be kind to yourself. Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.